Lucky though. What's that? 14-9. I got a free lead one though, yes. That's a what play? Let me try something. You know what? Rise up your gun and right now. Why? Formation. Yo, put the sun up that side. Put the sun up that side. Oh! Everybody in your side! Great rally, man. You are what? I'm talking to everybody. Oh my God. No!